Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy.
We'll be using these car straps here to raise the axle up higher from here. So we have this side put on too. So now what I need to do is remove the axle towards the inside. This is how short we are. So now I'm going to get a strap and pull it towards that way.
You and I, we got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name?
Still shows that we need to go a little bit higher.
It grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love goes, there is also tragedy. When we're together,
that did the trick. We got it through. So we have set our upper and lower control arms. We've got them adjusted, and this is how we took our measurement. I made the axle completely level using the straps, which those worked really great. I was able to go up and down with them fairly easy. So we got our bump stops in. We made this straight. I've got a nut on it right now so it's not wobbling. Basically our old control arms, the lower ones, these measure 22 and a half. I started at 22 and a half with the control arms, adjusting them as we took measurements from this spindle to the rear and how it looked with lining up on for a coil. So I just wanted to get that straight. Alignment will get it perfect. Measure the threads on both sides and did the same thing to the other side. The upper control arms basically just kind of tilt the axle as far as level goes. Once I got the length I wanted with my lower control arms, the upper ones are 19. I went just a little bit more than that since we are running a 4-inch lift, and again, alignment will definitely straighten everything up, but I'm just trying to get as close as possible. Now we're ready to install our coils. Got the holes in. It actually went in really easy, even it being a 4-inch lift. So now let's go get the main part, our Fox shocks, and start installing that. We just have a washer and this little bushing that goes up top. So we'll do the same thing to the other side, and it's pretty easy to actually compress this. Alright, and I will attach the brace to hold that reservoir. We are running Cabfab. It's 1-ton tie rod ends, and this is our 1.5 inch tubing. So we got our pitman arm straight, and then we've got our knuckles and everything pointing straight. I used a string to measure across there. Our axle still needs to come over 1/2 inch to the right, so we'll adjust that once our adjustable track bar comes in. We're gonna just lower the axle, and I've got the 4x4 post here underneath the wheel since the Jeep is jacked up so high. But everything is looking good. I still got a few things to touch up. The axle's officially on and holding on its own. That up and lower the Jeep and start rolling this bad boy on out. We got our pathway nice and clear. We are using the stock track bar. We extended it just by a tad just because it wouldn't fit, and we're gonna wait until our new one comes in. So now we can just tow this into the garage. That is all we have for this video. Thank you all for watching, and if you want to see more of the Jeep build, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications for the next video. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to drop a like and comment any suggestions you have down below. I'll see you guys next time.